Hey guys, thanks so much for joining Woow. So today Woow is back at the Mudhura market just to update you on the construction progress here. So NMS under General Bad is constructing a modern market here where you have seen a groundbreaking. There is a modern market being constructed here by NMS. So this market will hold almost all of the traders here, but this one is just a start because all the traders will be relocated here after the completion. Then the far end will also be constructed. So Mudhura market will be new in the next few months under General Badi. Mudhura market is just changing. So there is rapid transformation here. Let me just take you through to see what's happening here. So guys, I think you have seen for yourself what this man has done here. So General Badi was the first Director General of Nairobi Metropolitan Services. Nairobi Metropolitan Services was just started last year, that's 2020, around March. So NMS is just 1 year old, but what NMS has done, no other government has done in a span of 1 year. So I think General Badi is the best man for this seat. He has been a general for a period of a year, but what he has done, it could have taken a governor 10 years to do. So please comment below to congratulate General Badi for doing the best job ever, because I just think we don't need a governor in Nairobi City, but we just need General Badi. Thank you so much. Please watch this video to the end, then make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you like. Thank you so much.